It's a brand new platform 1 Schindler at Cultural Centre Busway. This one's now open, but only 2 and 1's open so far. Look, the peeling's not even all the way off. I'll see announcements level 2 on this one.
Melbourne Street footbridge level. Lift and stairs to busway platform 2.
Fair enough. So they're both locked. One's open though. This. Still wrapped up. I feel like taking that off.
Queensland Museum Plaza.
Fucks it up, the desk really. They don't level perfectly. I feel like they rushed this one into service, unlike the other one which levels perfectly, but whatever. It's not the same cab. It is. They really rushed this one into service, didn't they? And now that one's...
Melbourne Street footbridge level. Lift and stairs to busway platform 2.
The other one's like... The other one's electronics. Now just... Now there's no more electronics anymore. That one's also gone now as well. But you have to go down to level 1 to get to the busway station at the moment, which requires you to go downstairs anyway.
Plaza.
Look, go here. Can't get to the bus station. Actually, maybe you can. Instead of going to the rain, which is very, very kind to the wheelchair people. There's also stairs, I guess, but. This one has the barrier door 35. Just a double skate version. And Somatic 2000 landing doors, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Somatic. I think that's higher rain door resistance to the ones normal fit for
Melbourne
hundreds use.
Street footbridge level. Lift and stairs to busway.
It's a scalable. I'm guessing this is probably a 5500. Just a really late one. It's probably ordered too early. Too early to be a 5000 or 6000, I reckon. Pretty well built. Yeah. Nice.